Hello, kumusta kayo? Mabuhay! I am Melanie, aka Contempairs. If you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life, consider joining my squad. How? Just click that red button there, and please don't forget to ring that bell so that you will be notified if I have new upload videos like this. Yes, it's another vlog po, but I will be doing a daily vlogs starting today. It's gonna be my 12th day of Christmas vlogs. So anything that, any content that I have here that I do is beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos po. I-include ko dito sa aking daily vlogs for the 12th day of Christmas. And sana magustuhan nyo because this is the start of planning of my channel. This is what I'm doing right now. Ito po, papakita ko. This I'm doing right now, planning my channel and the 90 days reviews. Sabi ni Habi sa akin, wow, you're really serious about this. You're really doing something to make your channel grow. And I said, yes. It's been a year. I've been loving it. Gustong-gusto ko talagang mag-grow. I'm being patient about it. But of course, kahit patient ka kung hindi ka nagwo-work hard towards your mission and your passion, wala ding mangyayari, diba? So, what I'm doing is I've been planning my channel. I actually had a course from Tina Reads You. She was my coach for YouTube and I have learned lots of it. Talagang natuto po ako kahit hindi pa lumalaki ang channel ko. Alam ko marami akong natutunan sa kanyang class and I wanna bring my channel to the next level this coming 2021. Sana po ay antabayanan nyo ako at maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aking 2019-2020 journey dito sa YT, especially sa mga naging kaibigan ko dito sa YT. Maraming salamat kay Ladies Family, sa lahat ng nakasalamuha ko sa YouTube, mga haters, bashers. Thank you because dahil sa inyo, pinagpapatuloy ko at pagpapatuloy ko ang laban ko dito sa YT dahil alam ko sa sarili ko may pwesto ako dito sa society ito. And gusto ko mag-inspire more ng people na at lalong-lalo na ang mga nanay na nasa bahay all around the world na even though we are a stay-at-home mom, we can do more than just being a stay-at-home mom. We can do more and explore more kahit nasa bahay po tayo. Ay, press 1 kayo dyan. Yes, kasi ito yung time, itong pagbablog kasi ito yung natin, source of parang comfort natin, nakukuha natin yung nagagawa natin, yung gusto natin gawin, at na-express natin yung sarili natin by talking to the camera, by talking to other people, and chatting, and being in our community. So, maraming thank you sa mga nai-inspire ko, sa lahat ng nagsabi na nai-influence ko kayo in a good way. Thank you dahil nakakataba po ng puso yun. At ipagpapatuloy kong maka-inspire at maka-motivate ng tao katulad ko na nanggaling. Alam mo yun, yung nanggaling po sa hirap, pero lumalaban para sa kinabukasan ng aking mga children at kinabukasan din ng aking family back home. So I've been saying this dito sa channel ko that I am not just doing it for myself. I'm doing it for my family to help out. And yun nga, para maka-inspire din. Ginagawa ko to para maka-inspire at maka-motivate. Like I'm always saying sa spill ko because that's who I wanna be and that's who I wanted to be known dito sa YouTube. At maraming thank you din sa family ko back home, Cruz, Miclat family, sa mga kumaris ko dyan, sa mga best friend ko, Cherry Boom, thank you for supporting me, Nina Cayetano, si TJ Lucky Garcia, yan, 3 best friend ko at mga kumaris ko at sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat po mga kapatid ko. I love you guys. I miss you all. Ki-Christmas na kaya medyo emotional na tayo. But this is the start po ng 12th day of Christmas. Everyday vlogs. And start akong mag-unboxing. And I'll see you. Magbibihis lang ako. I'll see you again. Eto na. Bubuksan ko na itong aking unboxing of I think these are home and organizing stuff for my studio and for my upcoming endeavor. Makitawa kayo. Makitawa kayo. Joke lang. Eto na. O-open ko na. I'm gonna open it and I'll show you what's inside. Ready na ba kayo for Christmas? Did you wrap up all those Christmas gifts for your loved ones? And are you done with your Christmas shopping? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, I am doing my 1-year facts about me that you would like to know. And your first impression. Kung ano po yung first impression nyo sa akin, please include it on your comment with your impression and then your question that you would like to know about me po. Kung anong gusto nyo malaman more about Contempairs, okay? Dahil that would be fun and with the shoutout na rin, of course. I'm gonna flash it on the screen yung lahat ng questions nyo. So please do consider that, okay? So, eto na. Open na ang aking mahiwagang box. Eto na. Lalagay ko sa table. Another box na naman to, sabi ni Habi. Yan, ang dami-dami mo naman. Ang dami-dami ko daw, package. Eto na. There's a letter. Thank you for your order. We appreciate your business. 31. Yes, that is correct. I got this product from 31. This is known, especially here in Canada, 31. Ito yung mga products nila. Very highly recommended na mga organizing stuff, mga makikita nyo. I'll show you. Tapos, kung taga-Canada kayo, press 1. Eto na, dahil kung alam nyo yung 31, you are gonna say, yeah, she's right. These are quality products. So, these are what I got. I got rectangular pouch for my train box, which is yung lalagyanan ko ng makeup. I wanna organize it and I got this bag for 2. So, charcoal cross cut. I'm gonna open one. I-organize ko sila. And kapag magta-travel kami, I can use them. I like organizers. I like organizing. Kung marami lang ako bili ng mga organizer, bibilin ko para organize yung life, organize yung stuff. Para mas madaling makita kapag organize, diba? So, eto na. Eto, ang cute! Ayan! Kasi iniisip ko, order ako ng ganitong pouch for my train box. If you know what I mean for train box, I'm gonna show you. Ito yung train box ko. Ito yung train box ko. Ito. So, hindi siya organized. Hindi siya organized kasi wala akong organizer. This is my husband's lalagyanan ng camera stuff and all sorts of when he was a photographer. So now I can have it, sabi niya. So gagawin ko siyang train box for my makeup and upcoming endeavor. Basta yun. Kapag tapos na yung COVID, I am gonna pursue my Limelight by Alcon business and bring it on the next level because I like it. I like this business. I like the products, and I would love Manitoban to see how quality is this product, and I will show it to my friends my what is that called? Yung mga kakilala ko, may mga relatives dito ni mom, and mga teachers, everybody that I might be able to showcase limelight. But anyways, ito yung gagamitin ko, or ang bigat. Ito yung ilalagay ko. So, hindi ako nag-order sa Amazon kasi I want some quality organizer. Ito yung organizer na kuha ko. Ayan. Tapos, ang ganda. Pwede siyang lalagyanan ng makeup, pwede siyang organizer kapag nagta-travel ka, toothpaste, toothbrush, anything, essentials, you can put it here. So, I got two. If you want some link, hindi po ito sponsor video. Gusto ko lang makatulong. I think this is a local business too here in Canada. And kung taga Canada kayo, I'm not sure if meron sila sa US. If meron, check the link po. Go through there. But this is it. I love it. Napaka-quality ng pagkakagawa. Ayan. Ang ganda. And then, next one is, matutuwa kayo kasi my daughter has been asking for it. And we can find a personalized one na merong like this. Ayan. Meron siyang personalized siya. Royal blue, white charcoal, running shoes style. So, pinersonalize namin siya. Pwede nyo i-personalize yung mga o-orderin nyo. So, ako, pinersonalize namin ni Yuki. She is the one who personalized this with her name. And then, she is sporty child. So, Yuki is very sporty. That's why she likes this one. And ito yung baunan niya. Ganon. Ayan. Ito yung baunan ni Yuki. Bagong baunan niya. Lumaki na siya kaya pinalaki ko na yung baunan. This is very affordable. I'll be linking the price maybe on the screen kasi hindi ako sure. I don't want to give a false information or prices. But this is it. Ang ganda niya. Pwedeng-pwede siyang gamitin lalong-lalo na kapag nagpi-picnic or nga sa school niya. So, napaka-quality. Talagang ang ganda ng product. So, that's the second one. And I have mine, of course. For my business, I've been telling you guys, I'm gonna bring Limelight by Alcon to the next level this coming year because I want to pursue this. I want to showcase how great is the product and how great I am as a business owner, you know. And after this COVID, you need to be gone. You're ruining my business, just kidding. But anyways, this is going to be lalagyanan ko po ng, here, I'm opening it. Tadaan! Wow! Yes, it's personalized Contempairs. Mama Llama! Ang ganda, di ba? I love it. Personalized to. O, di ba? Tapos, ganito yung lalagyanan siya. Pwede siya pang grocery shopping. Alam niyo, pwede itong pang-gift to your loved ones. Kung mahilig silang mag-shopping, kung mahilig silang mag-grocery at ayaw nilang yung plastic. Kasi ako, ayaw ko ng plastic. I want reusable. Pero yung mga reusable, it's not really sturdy and not too big. So, I'd like mine bigger than it can be. So, this is what I got. Pwedeng pang picnic, pwedeng pang grocery shopping, pwedeng pang organize sa car. So, pwede rin siyang pang regalo sa iyong husband, mother-in-law, sa in-law, sa relatives, anybody that you can think of na magagamit niya. And very, very affordable. Tapos, you get to personalize it. Diba? Ang ganda. I really, really love it. I-showcase ko lang how nice it is. So, here it is. Diba? Pwede siyang ganyan. Pwede kong ilagay yung organizer dito. I can put the organizer here. Pwede kong ilagay ng makeup. Tapos yung mga products ko, magtitinda na ako. Yeah! Tapos kung pwedeng hindi pa mawawala, or I mean kung maano man siya ma-misplace, they know it's me, Contempairs and Mama Llama. Di ba? Napakaganda. I love the color too. Napakasosyal ng kulay. I chose this color kasi hindi siya dumihin. Marami kang selection for colors and style, but I like this one. It's so me, you know? Na ano siya, medyo manly color pero elegant. Am I right? Ang ganda-ganda niya. Love it. So, that's it for my unboxing of this product from 31. So, thank you for being here, and please don't forget to comment with your first impression to Contempairs and your questions about me that you would like to know for my next video. I'm gonna make a video of fact about me, anything you would like to know, as long as it's not below the belt. Okay, so thank you for being here. I hope you are enjoying your days, and happy holidays in advance. I hope magkaroon po kayo ng masaganang Christmas, even though with the circumstances that we are in right now. Matatapos din po ito. Kapit lang, and let's hope for the better year to come. And I just want to acknowledge the Goal Getter Squad, my very own, my good friend, Lyle Adventurers. I can't wait for her to reach the 2,000 subscribers. Please, if you are not connected to my Goal Getter and my members, please check out my description. Connect to them. They are the organic friends that I have and supporters that been there supporting Contempairs. Thank you very much, and bye. Love you guys.